I would like to show you the variations of corner to corner that you can do. This is a standard corner to corner. This is that front post corner to corner that I came up with. Gives it like a meshy feel. And then this is another variation. It's kind of similar to this, but without the front post. I still haven't figured out how to fix this, because I don't quite care for this when it comes into when you're changing colors. If I can make it more of a clean line, I would like to figure out a way to do that. I probably will eventually. But this is a good, that's the wrong side, right side. But it looks like it's got a nice clean line when it goes through, so I guess it'll be okay. But I just wanted to show you how I did this. So you're going to start with your slip knot. One, two, three. I put my thumb on the third one, so you don't have to find it. 1, 2, 3. So that's 6. So you're starting like a normal corner to corner. Oops. There we go. Okay. Chain 1. And then 1 in the last. Just like I did with the front post corner to corner one on that other video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do the same thing. Chain 1, and 1 in the last. You ever notice when you're trying to show someone how to do things, it seems to not want to work right? That's kind of what I'm dealing with. So then you join. So this is always how you're going to do your end stitches. You're going to do 2, chain 1, and then 1 in the end, a double in the end. And then you're going to slip knot this one together. So these first 3, so here's going to be your end. 1, 2, 3. Double, chain 1, and 1 again. So you have that little mesh there. That's going to be your end around your edges, like around the outside. We're doing this style here. So it's going to be this and this around. It looks a little, but it's still square. It's perfect. It's pretty square. It's just not blocked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 1. Trying to do this really quickly here. And then you join. Okay. Now, just like in the front post, when I showed you how to do this one, you would normally like chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do a front post around this chain here. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to chain 3. So you chain 3 when you get to your next stitch, and then you're going to do another double crochet, just like you were going to do a corner to corner, and then you would chain 1. And now see this space in between here. When you hold it open, there's the chain here. Okay, you're just going to double into that corner, right into that nook right there, right into the crevice there. Okay, so it doesn't give that lumpy feel of that front post. It just makes it even. So now we're on the end again. Now 1, 2, 3. Double, chain 1, and then another double. Okay, then we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, double in the third. You work this just like a double, corner to corner, and you chain 1. Okay, so this is always going to be your end stitch. It's going to look like that. And you flip, slip knot or slip stitch into there. So now this is when you do your repeats in the center. 1, 2, 3. Then you do another double into that space, like you do when you do corner to corner. Okay, now you have 2 double crochets, chain 1. Now see how it separates right there? See how it separates right here? That's where you're going to do your double. You just do another double. So you did a chain 1 and then a double. You work it just like when I did this, but we're without the chain 4 and the front post. So go and watch the video on that one and you'll understand what I'm talking about. But this one you're just doing the chain 3, and then you'll double into that corner, that edge space there, and then you will slip stitch together to the next square. 1, 2, 3. Okay, another double, then you chain 1, in this space here, right here. Here's where your chain is. There, that's your 2 double crochets into that chain space there. And then you're going to double into this space here, right there where it comes together. Okay. And then you slip stitch on the last one. There. 1, 2, 3. Now always on the edge, remember to do it this way. Chain 3, double, chain 1, double in the same space. I got this idea from a shawl pattern that I found online. So I just changed the edging stitches so that it would square up. Just like this. It's a little, but it is square, believe it or not. So I think I should not do that chain 1 on the end there. When I turn to decrease, I think it gives it a little lumpy feel, but I think with a border it'd be fine. But these are just some of the variations of corner to corner that I've come up with. I hope that helps somebody, inspires somebody to do something wonderful. Have a great day.